In this animation, we'll look at a case study where a mother who did not have capacity had her will changed by the court to ensure her inheritance did not end up with her daughter-in-law in divorce proceedings. Nana Betty came from old family money. She always said that she wanted to ensure that the inheritance stayed within the family. Nana Betty had 3 children and a brood of grandchildren. However, not everything was rosy between her son Billy and her daughter-in-law Sally. I am trying, I really am. Just don't understand, it's complicated. They were going through a very bitter divorce. Sadly, Nana Betty was very ill in hospital and had no capacity to change her will. The doctors thought her days were numbered. Oh Nana, I wish you were well enough so you could redo your will so our ex-daughter-in-law is not going to get her hands on our son's inheritance. George called Merthyr Law to see if there was anything they could do. Merthyr Law had a solution that involved making an application to the Supreme Court to change Nana Betty's will so that Billy's inheritance was received through a specially tailored testamentary trust to help ensure that Sally could not get her hands on the inheritance in the divorce proceedings. After the legal submissions were made, the court ordered the will be varied. George and Billy were grateful that Nana Betty's inheritance would stay in the family. By having Merthyr Law successfully applied to the Supreme Court to change the will. This story is based on the legal outcome in the case of GUA versus GUV. They changed the names to protect the persons involved. Some artistic license has been taken to make the story more entertaining. Email Merthyr Law if you would like more information on this topic, or if you would like to discuss making a statutory will application for your loved one.